Okay, so this is drums, pads, or shoes rather, wheel cylinders, rear brake lines, and all that jazz going on today. Charlie's already making a head start.
Yeah, soldering irons in the grass, man.
Oh, that's why it smells funky.
Yeah, I smell it, I'm like, oh,
Just got to get that bastard out there. We'll do it.
So we need a longer bolt, which is thinner. For this,
bolt, which is right. Making brake lines then. This is one of the originals. This is driver's side. So we're going to have to do a different style of line because this is obviously double flare both ends. And the one we're going to make is going to be a double flare for the wheel cylinder, and then this end that goes into the T-piece is going to have to be a bubble because the T-piece has got a concave seat rather than convex. So yeah, we'll do that. Got some copper or nickel tube, got my flare tool, cutters, and the clamp that came off of there, so we can put that back over the new line. So let's get to it. Right, so that's one end flared, so that'll be the wheel cylinder side, and then I'll unroll it, thread my unions on, don't forget that. Right, so brake pipes are both flared. Charlie's just switching the handbrake cable over.
fucking cunt, it was broke, wasn't it?
Yeah, seized or broke, one of them. Anyway, we switched it over.
Fucking cunt.
So, brake lines on the back. Just need to tighten up all these unions. Need the old 10mm flare spanner on there.
Not the old 10mm flare spanner, what about the new one?
Haven't got a new one.
Probably should have put some fucking hair around this. What's that new TWD?
Alright then, mate. Done an overhaul with the rear brakes today. Switched over a handbrake cable, didn't we? Yeah. Rear brake lines.
Yeah, boy.
What else you get on whilst I weren't here?
The old tub.
Oh, you got the lights screwed in that, have you?
No, I've not screwed the lights in yet because I can't find the screws in. But I've bolted all this up properly.
Alright, sweet.
So I just need some new fucking hangers really, but she opens and shuts. There's a little bit of wiggle. I'll try adjusting it as much as I can, but it don't really.
Oh, it's a truck, mate, it's a truck.
It's fine. Gonna get the tailgate dampeners on it next week.
What?
Yeah, I'm joking.
It's a tailgate, not London Bridge.
Faggot.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a bit too heavy for my fucking.
I see someone the other day and they said, if you can't lift a tailgate, how on earth are you lifting your tool bag out the back? Yeah, lifting a couple of bags of cement or premix, but you can't lift a tailgate up.
It's too heavy for their office fingers, isn't it?
It is.
Oh, it's too heavy, I can't find it.
Alright, so not a bad night on Charlie's truck last night. I was, you know, decent. Got the rear axle and stuff done. Back into work this morning. Just found out Charlie's back at work. He's on crutches because he's had a smack up in his stock car at the weekend. So, yeah, exciting. He's got a lot of parts to replace and stuff, and we've been talking about making a few bits and pieces like sumo bars and things, and like rear pans for the axle and all sorts of stuff. So it's pretty interesting. And then we got talking about suspension arms, and he reckons he's got some rose joint taps at home, and I've only got the right hand, but he says he's got right and left, which is interesting. So might be a possibility of making some steering links or something. I've already done one obviously, but we can make some for Charlie or whatever. Yeah. Look at what I made. Extension. And I've got these cut out, some tabs for fixing light bars on. Do you reckon we do airbox first and then put the rubber joiner on and then do the snorkel?
How did we do it last time?
Awkwardly. We put the snorkel through, didn't we, and put the rubber on the snorkel, and then the airbox, that oval joiner, was a right bastard. Yeah.
We'll do it easy, really.
And then what we're going to do, we're going to finish up all the grommets and wiring and put these vents back in, and then lift the tub on with the lift blocks as well. There we go.
Got a cold one today, isn't it?
It's a bit chilly. Oh look, the wing's on. Oh, that's miles better, isn't it?
Now it's painted up, yeah.
Decent. You know what we should have done?
What's that?
We should have flared it all.
Ah.
Made big old flares on it.
Yeah, but then I wouldn't. I've just got a couple of bolts in just to hold it in place for now. Old patron saint. We'll leave it as it is.
Right, we're going to put a tub on tonight. Just bolt this wing up, so this wing is on like Donkey Kong. It's good. It is a fairly good fit, to be fair, for a pattern wing. It's not too bad, so we're happy with that. Don't you hit my fucking truck?
Right, keep going slowly. Bit more. Bit more, yeah?
Yeah.
Cheers, Tom. A little bit more. Alright, lower it then.
Courtesy of Mr. Thomas.
Not sure it's turned off or not.
Wild Track Thomas.
Not sure it's turned off.
It's turned on. Red light's still on. Yeah. Tub's now on.
Woo!
Looking more like a truck. Oh, what was that?
That's just this fucking...
Oh, that plastic.
Everywhere at the minute.
I can see your spare tyre, Charlie.
Oh fuck me, that's my alarm to get ready to go home.
Denied.
Where are the old bolts then?
Over there, aren't they?
Are they?
Bed's on. Body lift's on.
Is she all tight?
Yeah. Bolted up. One thing you will have to do for body lift is that.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Showing this shite off. That's be alright, get the arm right on that.
Mm-hmm.
Driver.
Go for a little test run.
Yeah, if we get everything out of the cab,
Yeah.
clear that cab out of the shit we don't need, organise it all, I can start taking some shit back that we don't need
Yeah, yeah. That's right.
in the van, and then that can be the storage unit. And then we can start stripping the headliner out and doing what we need to do on this one to get the new cables in. So can we start here?
Start up.
The battery might be flat.
I don't think there's anything wrong with her.
Right, check she's not in gear. Last thing we want is a fucking problem there. That battery, mate.
Put that battery on it.
Systems here. I have to hold it on though. Get the fucking insulation. What really? Start up.
Give it a little wiggle. Go on! Woo-hoo-hoo! It's got sooted.
Go on, give us a crack so I can hear her. Oh fucking hell, she smells. Oh, nice amount of soot there, James. Fucking loads of soot.
Lovely.
Considering we ain't done anything to her.
She's alright then.
We haven't even put the tuning box on yet, have we?
Not yet.
I've got glow plug light flashing.
Yeah, because there's no math sensor plugged in or anything. D, hasten.
Fucking sounds alright, boy.
Nice. Whole brand new tub. Where'd you get it from? Pecs?
Yeah, never knew mine like that.
Get it from Pecs?
5 litres,
Amazon?
5 litres here.
Charlie has a nice little jig for spraying beds here.
Yeah, I know.
Actually, she's pretty solid.
I think we should keep that like that, mate, and then just start doing it as a...
Bring your truck and your bed. We'll spray it.
Yeah.
Won't necessarily do a good job, but we'll spray it.
I mean, it's okay. Mine ain't that bad. Got a window wiper.
So the lights are in.
They're just not screwed in.
She is sitting on the cock a bit.
The whole truck.
I think the floor ain't straight either, to be fair.
No. As if you can see the fucking wheel though. It's well high, isn't it?
We should have like chopped out the cross member and moved the cross member up.
Like I said, I probably won't have that wheel on there anyway.
Nah.
I think I'll probably just end up buying another steel wheel at some point and a proper
Stick it in the back.
spare and just stick it in the back or stick it on the roof rack.
You could always run a skinny spare.
No.
Get a 17-inch rim and put like a 235/85 on it. Like a Land Rover size one.
It's gay though. Right, I'm going to shoot because I should have been... That jack is already a bit far up. Right, thank you for the help.
It's alright.
Thank you as well, Tom. That's one extra fucking thing I need to take a picture actually before I go.
Tom's got MOT tomorrow. I've got MOT tomorrow. Halfway through, haven't we, Tom?
What?
Halfway through.
What?
Painting the tow bar.
It shouldn't take too long first. Slap a bit of hammer on it so you could go with it. Feels new.
So Tom's truck's, was it 2005, halfway through 2005 wild track. She's not really had much, has she? We've done service, we've done CV boots, and I put rear springs on it the other year.
Rear springs, fucking shield out. Have it nice and good. That is your Harrier shit, isn't it?